Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and in this section, we'll be covering Azure Data Factory. Azure Data Factory is essentially a cloud-based, managed service that plays a pivotal role in ETL, ELT, and data integration processes. It acts like a powerhouse, orchestrating data movement and transforming data seamlessly on a large scale. Here's a breakdown. You can create pipelines to schedule data-driven workflows, making data transformation and integration hassle-free. Build complex ETL processes that transform data visually with data flows. This means you can transform data in a more intuitive and visually appealing way. Use compute services such as Azure HD Insight Hadoop, Azure Databricks, and Azure SQL Database, thus offering flexibility and power in how you handle your data. Once your data has undergone transformation, you can publish your transformed data to data stores such as Azure Synapse Analytics, which can store and derive meaningful insights. Azure Data Factory has the ability to turn raw data into organized, meaningful data stores and data lakes ready for further analysis and reporting. So that's a quick introduction to Azure Data Factory.